Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying the Skinfix Barrier Plus Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream. This product retails for $48. So when I first heard about Skinfix releasing this product, I got very excited because I know that so many people love their original skin barrier restoring cream. This one was released with people who are acne prone in mind. They also took into consideration more oily skin types by releasing this gel cream. I do personally have combination skin, and I actually haven't come around to trying the original barrier cream, so this will be the first version of this product that I am trying. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Some of the highlighted ingredients in this product include saccharide isomerate, niacinamide, and an antimicrobial heptapeptide blend. That was a tongue twister. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description. So typically with a moisturizer, the number one thing I look for is to see if it causes acne. I usually don't struggle with acne from gel moisturizers, so I really don't think that's going to be an issue with this product. One of the big things that I always look for with gel moisturizers is it hydrating enough for both day and night use? It can either be very hydrating but in a lightweight form, or it could not be hydrating enough for my skin. Combination skin is really difficult because around the outer perimeter of my face, I get really dry, but my T-zone typically stays oily, so I will be curious to see if it is hydrating enough for my skin. That is the main thing that I'm looking for going into this trial, but anything else I notice, I will continue to let you all know. I will be doing check-ins with this product, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to use the product for the very first time on camera. This moisturizer comes in my favorite type of packaging. If a moisturizer comes in a jar, I really like for it to have a pump like this one. You just press and it dispenses the product very easily. So all you have to do is just press like that, and there's moisturizer. It is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I even really have much of a moisturizer on. Feels like a normal gel moisturizer. I will be curious to see how this wears throughout the day. Right now it feels very hydrating, but sometimes gel moisturizers can feel hydrating at first and fade throughout the day. So I feel like the real test of this moisturizer will happen throughout today. I do feel it absorbing very quickly. That's all I can tell you right now. I will continue using it and I will be back to check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I am here to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I was able to use this product for just a couple of days, and I started to notice that my skin was not as hydrated as I wanted it to be. I tried using this both day and night by itself, and that really did not last very long. With that being said, I know that this is a gel moisturizer, and so I wasn't expecting an extreme level of hydration from this product, but I really didn't notice that much hydration in my skin while using this product. Whenever my skin starts to get too dry, my hyperpigmentation is really prominent and it really starts to show, and I was starting to notice that within a couple of days of using this product. I personally don't think it was for me. I definitely feel like that this moisturizer would be amazing for oily skin. I found myself wanting to use another moisturizer with this product because I just didn't find it to be very hydrating. With that being said, I personally don't want to pay $48 for a moisturizer that I feel like I need another one to follow up with. I found it to be fine when I was using another moisturizer with it, but it got to a point where I was like, am I actually liking this moisturizer, or am I liking the overnight sleeping cream that I'm using? Like, I didn't find many benefits with this moisturizer. It was not moisturizing enough for my skin, and so I just personally don't think it is for my skin type. So with that being said, if you do have extreme oily skin and you are willing to spend just a little bit more money on a moisturizer, moisturizer, then I would definitely recommend it for you. I personally did not have a good experience with this product. I do know so many more affordable gel moisturizers that I have personally had a better experience with. For example, the Selvis by Hyram gel moisturizer is amazing in my opinion, and also the Verse gel moisturizer is a great option. Both of those are around $16 to $25, so it cuts the price of this product in half. I really just think that there are better options for gel moisturizers out there. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this review. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.